What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Kevin here, and in today's vlog I'll be going to Cars and Coffee over here in Lehigh, and this time it's gonna be at Houston Hot Chicken, which is one of the best chicken places here in Utah. It's just opened up, and yeah, their chicken is really good. So we're gonna get some of that, and also we're gonna check out some cars, most importantly. So see you guys there. So there was a little bit of a mix-up there. I went to Houston Hot Chicken thinking they were there, but they're just sponsored by Houston Hot. They're not there. So I went to the original spot, and of course they're here. So a little bit messed up, but we made it. So we got South Valley Photo, his Lamborghini. This thing is so sweet. And then Ferrari 458. But this Supra, I don't know, I just love the carbon fiber on it. It looks so nice. Of course we have that same ducktail, but like these carbon fiber accents look so good. So we got Aston Martin and some more McLarens, 570 I think. Scan that QR code, I don't know what that is. Scan it. And another McLaren. Sorry. There's some dogs. More McLarens. Axel. But yeah, as you can tell, everything is packed. But it's a good show though. Good show. Gotta show some love to the bikes. The Kawasaki's, BMWs, Hondas. Yeah, these things are sick. I like this one because it has like the Mercedes F1 team like livery on it.
Oh, dude, I'm famous.
Oh, sorry. But yeah. Oh yeah, an Aventador next to them. I'm sure you guys know this from the last video, but I absolutely love GTRs. And this lineup right here, we got some R35s. Now this one is sweet. It's all the carbon fiber on it. And of course we got the R33. A lot of people don't like them as much, but I love these. Like if I were to get a Skyline, it would get the R33 if I could afford it. But look at this turbo, dude. It's massive. This engine bay is crazy. And you can tell it's serious, missing the headlight. But yeah, let's look at this one real quick. So it has carbon fiber all inside of it. Of course, that V6 is amazing. Yeah, so I was just talking to this guy. He just barely hit 70k miles.
55 miles till I hit that.
55 now?
Yeah, 55 miles. I hit 70.
At least it's being used. I've never seen anything like this ever before. This thing is so sweet. Take a closer look. Roadster. Jeez, imagine driving this thing. Feels like a go-kart. We got some more Skylines over here, imports. Let's check these out.
There's that R7 we saw last time.
Yeah, this thing is sweet. Hella clean. Those honeycombs. RV26. Love it. Mini Coupes. And then we got the Shelby. This thing's a monster, dude. I'm not a big fan of any Mustangs, but you can't go wrong with Shelby. The GT350s, V8, and classic GT. So speaking of Mustangs, let's check this out. I don't know if this is like a replica or like a real one. But yeah, these things are sick.
Never restored, right?
Pontiac Firebird. Thing has a crazy turbo. I think it reminds me of like the Duke of Hazzards. So sick. Another one, but this wrap looks so good. I like how they also did the R the same color. But yeah, these wheels are nice. It's hella tinted. Whew. Just can't get enough of these things. One day we'll get one. Look at this 911. Thing is sweet. So I just had to get out of the way. No, this is like 21 Jump Street type vibes. This thing is sweet. And we got a Gallardo next to it. So a fun fact, so my first ever supercar that I've seen was a Gallardo. And it was like this spec too, like with the convertible style, I forgot what it was called. But like, yeah, this was literally like one of the first supercars I've ever seen. And from there, I like fell in love with it. And it looks like they're missing an eye, just Lamborghini. But yeah, I just thought I'd share that. You guys don't already know, but I love Corvettes. Like, I would love to own one of these, especially the Z06 editions. And the fact that there's two Z06s right next to each other. Oh shit, I keep zooming in. So this is one of my buddy's car. He just got these new wheels for like racing. Now they look fat. And then give his Instagram a follow. It's Slow J. It's not really. This is what we're showing you. Yeah, he said he's pushing around like 700 horsepower on this. As you can tell, that's like, he's not capping. This thing can smoke anybody. And it sounds so nice and hella loud. This is such a good color on this Shelby. I don't know if this is factory paint or they painted it, but the thing is so clean.
Give us a rip!
You guys are gonna get annoyed at me saying this, but I love GTRs. These rims on them are real good, these wheels. And also my second favorite car over here, another Corvette. I'm just gonna go check this out because oh my gosh, that is not expected. Yeah, sure. Let's hear it. Ooh. You can hear that turbo like suck air in. You can so hear it. Just like this one too.
So, I don't know if you know much about
Racing harnesses. The interior looks like so like closed off, like so driver orientated. So race car. Now this Cadillac is insane. Not only the wrap, I like the little like graffiti going on, but like, bruh. This thing looks wild. I can't wait till like I hear it turn on and just like start up. This thing must be crazy loud. What in tarnation is going on here? Bruh. This color color is phenomenal. Like, I wish you guys can see it in person. Look how good it is. But oh my gosh. Such a beautiful car. Such a beautiful color. I hope my camera picks it up as good as I'm seeing it right now. Gee. I've been waiting for this dude. It's a Miata. LS swapped. What? That thing is wild. How did they do this?
Chris.
Alright guys, so that's everything for today's video. Cars and Coffee was a big success. There was tons of cool cars. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe for more. And I'll get back to it. Peace! Okay. So I got hungry, so I came up to Houston Hot Chicken. And then, yeah, some people are gonna show up here after the meet, but let's get some food. After a long wait, finally got my food. Now it's time to go. Bye!